We know a Gaggenau oven is built to last. You might wonder, how long could it possibly last with a pyrolytic self-cleaning function that reaches 905 degrees? Well, let's take a look at an exploded view of the oven, and you will see some of the hidden magic of this oven. Gaggenau takes the additional step to enamel both the inside and the outside of the oven, specifically to protect the oven during the high heat self-cleaning phase. You can also clearly see the 4 layers of specialty heat-resistant glass that stays cool to the touch and protects your kitchen during this high heat phase. When the self-cleaning function is selected, prompts appear on the control panel with instructions of how to prepare the oven for self-cleaning. Clean the worst of the soiling to the best of your ability and wipe the inside of the door and the glass clean, as these are not cleaned in that function. Make sure the cover for the receptacle is in place. The oven side racks can be removed and washed in the dishwasher or left in place. No stainless steel or other cooking pans can be left in the oven. To begin the self-cleaning cycle, turn the left-hand selector to the S position, select Pyrolytic Cleaning and confirm. The turn-off time is displayed but can be changed if you prefer the cleaning cycle to run at a later time. The oven door locks once the self-cleaning is engaged and can only be opened once the entire cleaning cycle has completely finished. Wipe any residue from the oven before replacing the side racks and oven trays. Between intensive cleanings with this function, the oven can be kept clean by wiping any spills when the oven has cooled and washing the interior with warm soapy water, taking care not to let the oven gasket get wet when doing touch-up and maintenance. It should be noticed that harsh oven cleaners can potentially damage the enamel interior of the oven and should be avoided. Detailed instructions for cleaning, together with recommended cleaning products, are listed in the Oven User Guide.